You are about to see a simple way to turn an AI prompt system into real monthly income. No big team, no fancy gear. In the next 60 seconds I will show the steps, the math, and how to start this week. If you stay to the end, you will leave with a one-page plan you can follow today. Watch how clear this can be. Pick one niche, offer one weekly package, use one repeatable workflow. Clients pay for outcomes, not for tools. I will show you the example pricing, the delivery rhythm, and the exact words to land your first yes with 10 short messages a day. If this sounds useful, stick with me, because the next few minutes can change your next 3 months. First, why this works right now. Businesses and creators are already testing AI, but their outputs are messy and slow. They do not want another tool. They want a small system that turns a short brief into clean results in their voice. That is what you sell with an AI prompt business. A reliable outcome delivered on time. When you sell outcomes, your offer is simple, your value is clear, and renewals become normal. Let us make the money math real so it feels possible. One monthly retainer at $1,500 for a brand that needs weekly content prompts and quick tuning. 2 smaller retainers at $750 each for short-form content teams. That puts you at $3,000. 2 fixed-price projects at $500 each during a launch month brings you to $4,000. Add a $200 maintenance plan for an older client and a small product license that averages $300 per month. Now, you are past $5,000. These are examples, not promises, but they are sane numbers you can reach with steady work. Here is the trap that stalls most people. They collect tools, download templates, and never choose a lane. They try to help everyone and end up sounding like noise. The fix is focus. Pick one narrow problem with a clear payoff. When you focus, your message gets sharp, your process gets faster, and selling gets easier. If you are tempted to click away, wait 60 seconds, because in this next part, I am giving you the exact weekly offer and price you can copy and use. Start with a niche you understand. Pick one. YouTube channels that need ideas, hooks, and thumbnail copy every week. E-commerce brands that need product descriptions, FAQs, and ad variants in a consistent voice. Course creators who need lesson outlines, quiz items, and email follow-ups. Local services that need weekly social posts and short ads. Choose one lane for the next 90 days. Depth beats breadth. You can expand later. Now define one clear offer. A strong offer has a clear outcome, a simple process, a clean price, and a short timeline. Here is a model. Outcome: a weekly content pack that includes a tuned prompt set, 2 example outputs that match the brand voice, and 1 round of optimization. Process: a 30-minute kickoff to capture voice and goals, a weekly 15-minute review, and delivery on the same day each week. Price: $1,200 per month prepaid, or $350 per week if paid weekly. Adjust up if your impact is higher. Adjust down if you are just starting and want faster yeses, but never price so low you rush and break quality. What do you deliver each week? Deliver 3 things. First, a short brief in plain language that restates the week's goal and target audience. Second, a prompt set that includes the role the model plays, the task in 1 sentence, the context in 3 bullet points, the output format and length, and simple quality checks. Third, a 1-page usage guide that shows how to run the prompts, how to review the output, and how to edit fast. Include 2 example outputs that match the client's voice so your pack feels ready to use. Use a tight intake so you start strong. Ask for target audience, voice adjectives, must-say phrases, must-avoid phrases, tone examples they like and dislike, and the main call to action they use. Ask for 3 samples of approved content. Turn these answers into a short voice profile. Keep it on file. This profile saves hours and keeps results consistent. Set a weekly rhythm that protects your time and calms your client. On Monday morning, confirm the goal for the week in 1 paragraph. On Monday afternoon, send a first draft prompt set with 1 sample output. On Tuesday morning, collect feedback and lock the final prompts. On Wednesday, deliver the final pack with the usage guide and checklist. On Thursday, note issues and prep small adjustments. On Friday, send a 2-minute summary of what worked, what to tweak, and 1 idea for next week. This rhythm makes you look reliable and lets you manage multiple clients without chaos. Quality control is your edge. Use a tiny checklist before delivery. Does the output match the voice profile? Does it answer the user intent? Is the structure easy to scan? Are any claims framed carefully or supported? Are the calls to action natural? Run this list every time. Most problems vanish when you check these 5 items. Now, let us land your first clients. Use direct friendly outreach. Find people already publishing in your niche. Send short messages with one custom line that proves you looked at their work. Keep it simple. I help your niche get clear result with a small AI prompt system. I made a free sample based on your latest post. If you like it, I can send a weekly plan, 3 sentences, 10 messages a day for 5 days. Expect a few replies. Book short calls. On the call, ask what result matters most this month. Show one small win right away. If you leave now, you will miss the simple retention ritual that keeps clients for months and pushes your revenue past 5,000. Stay for the next minute and take the exact steps. After your first sample lands, present 2 choices: a 4-week sprint with weekly deliverables and a final summary, or a monthly retainer with the same deliverables plus a monthly performance review. Offer a small discount for prepaid months. Keep the agreement simple. Scope, schedule, price, and usage rights. Send it. Start work the same week. Here is how to think when a client asks, "Can I just keep the prompt?" Do not panic. You are not selling only words. You are selling the system, the weekly alignment with their goals, the voice tuning, the testing, and the quality control. Even if they save one prompt, they still want your system because it saves hours and keeps results consistent. Let us add pricing anchors and upgrades so you grow without burning out. Keep the base plan at 3 outputs per week. Offer a higher tier with more volume, faster tweaks, or translation variants. Offer a premium plan with a monthly research pack that turns trends into ready-to-use ideas. Offer a one-time brand voice library that turns their style into reusable instructions for the whole team. These upgrades raise your average revenue per client and help you reach 5,000 with fewer accounts. Build simple proof without awkward asks. After week 2, send one question. What changed for you since we started? When they answer with something specific, ask if you can quote it in one line. Add it to a 1-page case study with the initial problem, the process, and the outcome in numbers like pieces shipped or hours saved. Use that page in outreach. Proof lowers friction and speeds up yes. Keep a lean tool stack so you do not drown in setup. Use one doc template for briefs and usage guides. Use one checklist for quality control. Use one calendar template for your weekly rhythm. Use one simple tracker for leads, messages sent, and stages. Keep it light. The goal is to deliver outcomes, not to build a complex system before you have clients. Here is a soft call to action so you do not miss future playbooks. If this is helping, subscribe to Smart AI Hustle for weekly guides. You can apply the same day. Now, a 1-hour-a-day prospecting routine that you can sustain. Spend 20 minutes finding 5 ideal prospects who already post and would benefit from cleaner, faster outputs. Spend 20 minutes sending 5 short messages with 1 custom line each. Spend 10 minutes preparing 1 sample for the warmest lead. Spend 10 minutes logging notes and planning tomorrow's 5. This steady rhythm builds a pipeline without stress. Let us talk about common mistakes and quick fixes. Do not serve 3 unrelated niches at once. Pick one and commit for 90 days. Do not promise results you cannot control. Promise consistent outputs and faster delivery, not virality. Do not underprice because you feel this is simple. Charge for the outcome and the time saved. Do not disappear between deliveries. Send short updates. Do not overbuild your stack. Keep it simple until you have steady revenue. Most people stall at this point. They deliver once, then the client disappears. Stay with me because I will give you a retention ritual that keeps clients for months. Every 30 days, review outcomes and tie them to business goals. Show how many pieces you shipped, how much approval time you saved, or how much faster they launched. Propose one experiment for next month and one small upgrade. Ask if their goals changed. This keeps you aligned and reduces churn. Add a tiny product to smooth your month. Package a starter kit for your niche with 5 prompts, a usage guide, and a voice profile template. Sell it at a low price or give it as a lead magnet. A few sales each week add a stable baseline and feed your retainer pipeline. If your schedule feels tight, here is a way to protect your focus. Block 2 90-minute windows on Monday and Wednesday for creation only. No calls, no inbox. Use a timer. In the first block, draft prompts and 1 sample. In the second block, tune and finalize. Keep calls short and grouped on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This simple rule keeps quality high without long nights. When you get your first 3 clients, standardize. Turn your intake questions into a form. Turn your voice notes into a profile template. Turn your weekly rhythm into a calendar template. Turn your prompts and examples into a private library organized by goals like ideas, outlines, ads, and product pages. With this in place, you deliver in less time and keep quality high. Use a simple scoreboard to stay honest. Track outreach sent, replies, meetings, proposals, closed clients, delivery on time, and client satisfaction in one line per week. Look at it every Friday. If a number is stuck, fix the step before it. If replies are low, improve your first line. If meetings are low, send clearer asks. If proposals do not close, simplify the offer and show a sample. If you want more of these ready-to-use playbooks, here is your strong call to action. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle. You will get clear steps, not theory, every week. We are almost done, so here is your day one action plan. Choose your niche in 30 minutes. Write one sentence that explains the result you deliver in plain words. Draft your weekly offer with price and deliverables. Create one sample pack with a prompt, a sample output, and a usage guide. Send 5 messages with your one sentence and offer to show the sample. Book the first call, confirm the week 1 goal, and deliver on time. Do not wait for perfect branding, deliver value today. We are at the finish, so here is the last rehook. Most people will save this and do nothing. A few will choose a niche today, write a 1-page offer, and send 5 messages. Those few will get a yes. 1 yes becomes 2. 2 becomes steady income. The gap between learning and earning is action in the next hour. Directional call to action so you take the next step now. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle for weekly playbooks you can use today, then comment with your niche. I will reply with one prompt idea you can test tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.